the most powerful federal agency needed to modernize communications in one of its most iconic and historic buildings. However, renovations to support recabling were off the table, as any structural change risked permits, delays, high costs, and disruption to government operations. Cisco and NVT Phybridge had the answer. Using PoLRE switch innovations, the agency transformed its existing single-pair UTP infrastructure into a secure, robust, IP-ready backbone. No recabling, no disruption. PoLRE delivers data and power up to 4 times farther than standard switches, eliminating the need for additional network closets, repeaters, or costly infrastructure overhauls. The result? Over 3,500 Cisco IP phones deployed with zero disruption to operations, and the entire project completed under budget and ahead of schedule. Better yet, the agency prevented over 15 tons of electronic waste and established a point-to-point cybersecure network, proving digital transformation doesn't have to be disruptive. Planning a digital transformation project? Visit www.nvtphybridge.com/betterIPoutcomes and register for one of our webinars and learn how to replicate the success and take advantage of special discounts and offerings.